The flexible run proof of concept consists of user equipment and a base station running on software-defined radio units, as we can see here on this table. These units run the flexible 5Mac developed by us within the Ingenious project. This radio access network is connected to the 5G core provided by Cumucore via UDP tunnels, and this network is then orchestrated and managed by the Nextworks slicer software.
The Nextworks end-to-end slice orchestrator automatically manages the lifecycle of the network slices on top of the end-to-end network, interacting with the 5G core and flexible RAN proof of concept. For provisioning a network slice on top of the end-to-end network, the first step is onboard the corresponding NST. This EMBB NST, representing a video streaming service, is composed of two NSSTs. Its main requirements are 80 milliseconds and 1 megabit per second. Then, this NST is used for automatically provisioning the video streaming end-to-end network slice. As shown from the user interface, the end-to-end network slice is eventually instantiated. It means that subslices are configured and instantiated. Indeed, the video streaming end-to-end network slice has 1 megabit per second uplink and downlink data rate and no user equipments associated with yet. As expected, it consists of core and RAN network subslices. At this point, the association between user equipment and the slice is requested, selecting the proper IMSI. On the left is shown the user equipment subscription on the 5G core, while on the right the flexible 5Mac dashboard showing the video camera user equipment data rate. The slice provisioning procedure is repeated for an URLLC slice. It starts onboarding the corresponding NST. In this case, the requested latency is 10 milliseconds while the requested bandwidth is around 40 kilobit per second. As before, the URLLC end-to-end network slice is automatically instantiated using the corresponding NST. After the instantiation, the robot UE is requested to be associated to the slice, so it can send traffic through the flexible RAN. At this point, camera and robot are 5G enabled, sending traffic through the two automatically provisioned end-to-end network slices. The URLLC slice can be either scaled up or down by the Nextworks slice orchestrator. In this case, the URLLC end-to-end slice is scaled up in uplink to 200 kilobit per second. This operation triggers some configurations on the 5G core and the RAN. The flexible 5Mac dashboard shows the new bitrate update, that corresponds to around 10% of the total available bandwidth. Furthermore, the slice scaling up request is executed for the video streaming slice as well. Indeed, the end-to-end slice is scaled up to 1.5 megabit per second. In summary, the Nextworks slice orchestrator is able of automatically managing end-to-end slices in a heterogeneous 3GPP and non-3GPP network, scaling up or down the available resources. It is also capable of performing user equipment association to the running slices, enabling the 5G communication. Thanks for watching.